Hi friends, welcome to learnsub.com. Today we are going to see about Entangle. Entangle is an open source camera control tool which allows its user to take a photos with digital camera which is controlled from computer. All the settings in a camera can be controlled by Entangle tool. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install Entangle on Ubuntu 17.04. For installing Entangle, you have to add a repository. This is a command to add a repository. After adding a repository, now we are going to update the repository using a command apt-get update. After updating a repository, now we are going to install Entangle using a command apt-get install Entangle. After installing, to check, go to Ubuntu dashboard and then type Entangle. It shows the application icon. Just click the icon to open. It will open the Entangle application. Using the application, we can easily control the digital cameras. This is about Entangle. I hope this video will get a knowledge about how to install Entangle on Ubuntu 17.04. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.